Welcome. Today I want to talk about report customization. So to customize a report, first make a copy of the template, then give the template a name. So make it a name that makes sense to you or to other people that will be using this file. You can also change the report title, so that's what's displayed at the top of the report. And I'd also recommend putting in a description there so that when you come back to it later, you remember why this report was customized the way it was. Once you've done that, we'll then go to the report design template so that you can have a look at the actual report designer. You've got the heading, which is the sort of yellowish shaded part at the top there, and the detail section in the middle. They're the bits you'll spend most time on. So select one of the columns there, click on the arrow at the top, and then you'll see we can change the fields that are displayed in this column. So it's just a matter of selecting from all the various options in the list there. Just click the back arrow there and it will close that. Similarly with the heading, click on the arrow at the top, change the text. So you can just type in new text here to get what you want in the headings. If you find the field list hard to read, it is displayed on the right there and you can make it wider there, which makes it a bit easier to see what the available fields are. Then when you get to this cell, you can find the one you want because they're in the same sequence. So it's just a matter of scroll up, find the one you want, and select the information you want in that column. And there's lots of different choices there for the selected period information or year-to-date information, sometimes full year information or last year information, and comparisons. So it's just a matter of select the columns you want. If you want to delete a column, that's easy to do. Just right click, select delete, and you want to delete the cell, not the row or the column. So just click on each one, delete cell. Whatever you do in the heading section, make sure you repeat in the details so that your headings line up with your details. And then it's a fairly simple matter of just drag each cell to the appropriate width so that they all line up again. You'll see across the top there's a ruler that you can use to help you line things up. So you can add columns in, you can remove columns, you can change the widths of columns. Down the bottom right hand side there's a property section where you can change formatting, fonts, that sort of thing. So you've got quite a lot of control over what's displayed on these reports. So it's just a matter of deciding first what you want and then coming in and getting it. Over on the right in the toolbar we've got things like page info, and here we just drag that onto the bottom footer of the report, and we can use that for things like page numbers, or in this case I'm going to add the date and time. So again, click on the arrow at the top, select the page information, and current date and time will give us the print time, and we can format that then to an appropriate format that suits our needs. So in this case I'm going to pick one that shows the date and the time that it's printed. Once you're done, just click on the close button in the top right hand corner. There's no specific save, your changes are automatically saved, and display the report. If you don't like a customization, you can just delete it, and you can always go back to the original report. And there's your report with the columns as you wanted to see them. Thank you for listening.